upbeat music playing. Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison. Today, we've got an epic drone showdown between the DEERC Drone D70 and the IDEA brushless motor drone. Who will soar to new heights and who will crash land into mediocrity? Stick around to find out. Camera zooms into the host with a split screen showing DEERC Drone D70 on the left and IDEA brushless motor drone, and on the right, the IDEA brushless motor drone, the more premium contender. Let's break down the specs, category by category. First up, let's talk money. The DEERC Drone D70 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the IDEA brushless motor drone will set you back $89. That's a $10 difference. Think of all the instant noodles you could buy with those $10. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for. So let's see if the extra dough is worth it. Now let's talk about what really matters in a drone. The camera. The DEERC Drone D70 sports a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. Perfect for capturing your backyard barbecue or your neighbor's secret garden. Just kidding, don't do that. Reviewers say the camera quality is decent, but nothing to write home about. Meanwhile, the IDEA drone flexes with a 4K Sony sensor camera. That's right, folks, 4K. It's got more Ks than your average Kardashian family gathering. Users rave about the stunning camera quality, making it ideal for upping your Instagram game. So if you're looking to capture some stunning visuals, the IDEA drone might just be worth that extra tenner. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me and have the technological prowess of a potato. The DEERC Drone D70 is beginner-friendly with features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and emergency stop. Even your grandma could fly this thing. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendliness and durability. On the other hand, the IDEA drone offers optical flow positioning, headless mode, and VR functions. Fancy, right? But it might take a few YouTube tutorials to get the hang of it. Some users found it a bit tricky to control at first, but praised its advanced features once they got the hang of it. So if you're a noob, stick to the DEERC. If you're a tech wizard, IDEA's your guy. All right, let's talk fun. The DEERC Drone D70 is packed with features like 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. It's like having a mini amusement park in your pocket. Reviewers find it fun and easy to use for kids and beginners alike. But the IDEA drone isn't just sitting around. It's got a 40 km/h speed, 3 speed modes, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It's basically the Usain Bolt of drones. Users love its high-speed performance and obstacle avoidance features, making it a thrilling experience. So whether you're looking for tricks or speed, both drones have got you covered. Last but not least, battery life. The DEERC Drone D70 doesn't specify its battery life, but let's just say it'll last long enough for you to crash it into a tree a few times. Some reviewers mentioned it lasts long enough for casual flying. The IDEA drone, however, boasts two 3.7 volts, 1200 mAh modular batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film a short movie or, make a sandwich. Users appreciate the extended flight time and the convenience of modular batteries. So if you're planning a drone marathon, IDEA might be the better pick. Overall, online reviews for both drones paint a clear picture of what you can expect. The DEERC Drone D70 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners and casual users. However, some users pointed out that the camera quality is not the best, and there were occasional connectivity issues. On the other hand, the IDEA brushless motor drone is lauded for its impressive 4K camera, advanced features, and high-speed performance. Some users did encounter issues with durability and control, but customer service was generally responsive in resolving these problems. Alright, smart shoppers, there you have it. The DEERC Drone D70 is the budget-friendly, easy-to-use option, great for beginners and casual flyers. The IDEA brushless motor drone is the high-tech, high-speed beast, perfect for those looking to capture stunning 4K footage and have a blast doing it. Which one are you going to pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Upbeat music playing, fade out, end screen with channel logo, and subscribe button.